One. Hi, this is Sina, and I'm going to talk about the introduction for final project phase 1. In this project, we use HCDR dataset. It's part of a Kaggle competition that aims to predict clients' repayment capabilities. When we looked at the target variable, we noticed that most clients were able to repay for the loan. Most of the variables had missing values. When we look at gender and age, we noticed that female clients and older clients were able to pay for their loans more frequently. And also we noticed that some of the variables, especially those that were normalized, had correlation with the target variable. Malik is going to talk about feature engineering.
Hello, this is Malik, and as part of feature engineering, we add new features from the primary table, which is the application train table. We derive new features by calculating the percentages or the difference or the sum of some of the input features, which can provide better information than the individual features. Then coming to the secondary tables, which have information related to the previous applications or the payments and credit card balances data. We aggregate the data at the current ID level, and we take the counts of applications from previous data sets, the payment from the installment payments, and credit utilization from the credit card balance data set. Over to Mark.
Oh, yes, this is Mark. There were two Bureau data sets. So there was the Bureau data set, which most people had information on this data set, and then a large portion of that was active credit. So we were able to engineer features such as their current active credit limit, and then their outstanding debt, and then how long it has been since their most recent credit activity for every consumer. By contrast, the Bureau balance data set it had a high level of granularity, but it wasn't really giving us new information except for on a very small subset. So that's not worth our investment in new features.
Hi, this is Xing. For the model baseline and hyperparameter tuning, we used logistic regression as our baseline model with 67 features. We got test data AUC at 0.7504. Then we did hyperparameter tuning. Then we got a slightly improvement, and more updates are on the way. Please refer to the notebook. For the next step, we will do experiments about evaluating and selecting best features, try other classifiers, and evaluate the statistical significance of our models. That's the end of the presentation. Thank you.